Hi everybody, this is Caroline. I'm pleased to meet you. Found out that a few of you have been having problems with your week 8 practical. So what I thought I'd do is just record a little demonstration to show you how it all works. So let's just remember what we have got. We have got two tables. We've got a company table and we've got an employee table. So it's really important to know what the field properties are. So let's just have a look. Remember that the company ID, so the primary key for company, we've got a length of 10. Okay, and the others are all pretty alright. Now our employees are going to be working for a company. So what we have to make sure we do is that when we're linking, because we want to be linking our employees to the company, so that needs to be the same, and it is, it's 10. Okay, so if we have a look now at our data, we'll see that we've got 5 companies and they've each got an ID, and the ones we're going to be looking at in this exercise are we're having employees of Libre Hardware, which is company 0, and Libre Software, which is company 1. Now you may have had other numbers, it really doesn't matter, just as long as you remember what they are. So then we've got our employees, and you can see that employees are employed by a particular company. So we've got some that are in company 0 and we've got some that are in company 1. So what we need to do in our form is we need to show a way that we show for each company which employees are employed by that company. So we're going to create the form with the wizard. So first of all, it wants to know us to say which fields we're going to be using and from which company. So my main table is going to be my company table because I'm looking at what employees are in which company. I'm going to use all the fields, and then next I want to add a subform. Okay, now that's not coming up at all because I haven't set up my relationships. Don't worry about it, we're going to select them manually. So I now have to say what my subform is going to be. So I've already used my companies. I need to say I'm going to use my employees, and I'll have all of those fields. Next step. This is the important part, and I think this is where maybe some people have come unstuck. So what is the field that they're going to be joined on? So employees are going to be working for a company. So it's going to be company ID, and in the main form it's going to be company ID. Okay, so what we're saying is in our main form, we're looking at the company ID, our table, our employee table, is going to be joined by that same ID. Next. Now I can just say what I want it to look like. That will be fine. So you could do it however you want, it really doesn't matter. And it's going to be displaying everything. I'm not going to put any restrictions on it. And now I just say what do I want it to look like. Next. Give it a name, and it's going to be called form. So we want to have a way of making sure that we show that the form has got a meaningful name, and I finish. Creates it. Okay, so up at the top I've got my companies. Now when I select company 0, I can see that these are all the employees that are going to be working for company 0. When I go back up here though and I select company 1, this now changes and it shows me my employees in company 1. So that's it, and I hope that helps.